Good morning to all. Right, ma? No. In previous, I explained that ray diagrams on concave mirror. Clear? So when object is placed at infinity, when object is placed beyond C, means center of curvature, and when object is placed at center of curvature, completed. Okay. Now let us discuss about that. A fourth case. So on the concave mirror, fourth one, when object is placed when when object is when object is placed between when object is placed between center of curvature and focus point. When object is placed between center of curvature and focus point. Okay, an object is placed between center of curvature and focus point. So now we are drawing the ray diagram and how to, that means where the position of the image we should find. See, when object is placed between center of curvature on concave mirror. So let us draw the concave mirror first of all. Okay, concave mirror. So this is the concave mirror, and you can draw the principal axis, and it is the pole. Let us take center of curvature. In between pole and center of curvature, we have to take the focus point, exactly midpoint. Okay, focus point. Right now, when object is placed between center of curvature and the focus point. So let us take here. Let us take one object between center of curvature and the focus point. Right. So first ray parallel ray. So the incident ray coming from the top of the object and it is parallel to the principal axis. Let us take that ray. So after reflection, we know that according to rules to draw the ray diagram. So after reflection, this parallel incident ray, after reflection passing through the focus point. After reflection passing through the focus point. Clear? Passing through the focus point. Right now, we need at least two rays to draw the ray diagrams. So let us take the second ray, which is incident at pole oblique. So which is incident at pole making with some angle. So at equal angle after reflection it is passing like this. Wait. After reflection with the same angle, the reflected ray is passing like this. Okay, right. If we extended this incident ray also, this reflected ray, we can extend it like this. Now the image is formed at here. Okay, done. Image is formed like this. So it is the object, it is the image. It is the object and it is the image. First ray should be parallel to the principal axis after reflection passing through the focus point. Second ray, which is incident at a pole, is making some angle. With that same angle, light will be reflected back like this. So these two reflected rays meet at one point. Their image is formed. Clear? Understood? Right. Now let us write characteristics of the image. Characteristics of image formed on concave mirror. Okay, right now, right. First one, image, where the image is formed. Image is formed beyond center of curvature. So image is formed beyond center of curvature. Image is found beyond center of curvature. And if you can observe properly, it is the object size, it is the image size. Image size is more than the object size. That's why enlarged image is formed. Enlarged image or magnified image, we can say. Okay, right. Third one, no. In real image is formed. Real image. Image is formed with direct lines. So next, fourth one, inverted image is formed. Fourth one, inverted image is formed. Okay, right? Image is formed beyond center of curvature, enlarged image, real image, and inverted image. So when object is placed between C and F, image is formed is beyond center of curvature, it is enlarged image, and real and inverted image. Right now, when object is placed between center of curvature and focus, formed is that means beyond the center of curvature, enlarged image because of size of the real image and inverted image. Okay, done. Let us go to next case. Let us go to next one. When object is placed at exactly focus point. So an object is placed exactly at the focus point. An object is placed at the focus point. Let us take 50 case. Object is placed at the focus point. Okay, done. Next. So same ray diagrams. That means we have to take first ray is always parallel ray. Every ray diagram you need to take the always first ray should be parallel ray. It is very easy to draw that. Every parallel ray after reflection passing to the focus point only. Okay, done. Right. Next. So let us draw again concave mirror. Concave mirror. It is the silvering and principal curvature and midpoint is the focus point. Clear? Right. Now object is placed at the focus point. That's why let us take object here. Here this is the object. Okay, this is the object. So first ray should be parallel to the principal axis from the top of the object. This one. We know that after reflection it is passing through the focus point. It is passing through the focus point. Clear? So as usual, like previous, second ray incident at pole making some angle with the, okay, with that much of angle, same with that much of angle, we can draw the reflected ray like this with the same angle. Rays, no, these two reflected rays not meet at anywhere, we can extend it like this also. That means extending also. That's why these two are parallel rays. Am I right? So these two are parallel rays means image is formed at infinity. Because of these are parallel rays, image is formed at, we can say, infinity. Okay, right? So characteristics of image. Now the image is formed at infinity. When object is placed at a focus point, image is formed at infinity. Image is formed at infinity. And enlarged only, real only, inverted only. Because of it is formed below the principal axis, definitely it should be real image. Okay, done. Now let us go to last one on concave mirror. When object is placed between focus point and pole. Object is placed between focus point and pole. Okay, done. Next one, object is placed between focus point and pole. Okay. Next, case 6. You can pause it and you can write. So next is placed between focus point and pole. Placed between focus point and pole. Right? Okay. See, let us draw the another diagram. Same. First we need to draw the concave mirror only. Put like this. And after that principal axis, for every diagram you can follow these only. First should draw the mirror, then principal axis, then we need to write the pole, and after that center of curvature. Exactly by using the scale, midpoint is the focus point. Midpoint is the focus point. Then only you can get the correct characteristics. Okay, done. Now object is placed between focus point and pole. So focus point and pole means here. So now let us take object in this one. Okay, this is the object. So from this object, first ray should be taken as ray is the parallel. Okay, first ray should be taken as it is passing through the principal focus point. Okay, every incident ray, that means every parallel incident reflection, it is passing through the focus point. Okay, next as usual, second ray incident at the pole. Okay, incident at a pole. So much of angle it can reflect like this. Okay, it can reflect like this. These two rays not meet at anywhere here. But if you can observe that, if you can extend like back, so this is with using scale, and this can extend it like this. If you can observe extend, right? Those two are meted here. That's why here. That's why the image is formed at here. So top of the object to top of the object. The image is formed like this. So see, now let us place it between. In the focus, this type is formed. First is formed image mirror, we can say mirror. No, here big mirror means mirror means in the sense of in the like this way this image can see that image. It's not behind the mirror means if we cannot see this. So back side of the mirror, image in the mirror is visual image on the screen formed this example it object image we can capture like, but virtual captured on the, so that's why fourth remaining previous image from bottom top, but same like that only. That's why this is the erect image or also called as upright erect or image. So when object is placed, characteristics of image are image is formed behind the mirror and enlarged, and you conclude that one thing concave mirror. So see, concave it forms concave, remember concave mirror forms real images and as well as virtual images formed by the concave mirror depending on it is placed at infinity. Image is formed at f, real image. When object is placed beyond c, image is formed between f and c, real image. When object is placed at c, image also placed is placed between c and f, image is formed beyond c, real image. When object is placed at f, image is formed at infinity, real image. But in the last one, when object is placed between f and p, we get the virtual image. So whatever it may be, concave mirror forms both real and virtual image, depends on the position of the object. Clear? Done. Now coming to the one more point. Then a concave mirror forms diminished and same size and also enlarged. These also formed through the concave mirror when object is in different positions. Images are maybe diminished, maybe same size, maybe enlarged. When object is placed at exactly center of curvature, we get the same size image. We get the enlarged image. standard emission. No, one more thing. One inverted and erected images. Inverted and upright or erect images. Inverted and erect images. So concave mirror form erect image means only when object is placed between F and P, we get the erect image. And all other cases placed infinity to focus point. Infinity to focus point, it forms the inverted images and real images. It forms inverted and real images. Okay, but when object is placed, is clear. Erect and virtual image, when we will get the is only other cases the art type of the by the concave mirror. Clear.